Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing essentials. Log into Google, create a GA4 property, and copy the measurement ID. Once done, switch to Wordpress and confirm you have admin credentials and a backup. Make sure to install a lightweight plugin like SiteKit or Insert Headers or Plan to Edit Header. PHP. I'll show both plugin and manual paths. You need that measurement ID visible. This is what links WordPress to Google's servers, so don't skip verifying it before proceeding. Now implement the tag. If you choose a plugin, install it, authenticate with Google, and select the GA4 property. Grant permissions when prompted. Once connected, the plugin injects the measurement ID automatically. If you prefer manual, open a child theme, paste the recommended GA4 script or G tag with your measurement ID into header. PHP before /head and save. After either method, go to GA4 real-time reports and check for your own visit to confirm data flows. Keep troubleshooting steps in mind. Finish by testing thoroughly. Browse pages while watching GA4 real-time and debug view to confirm page views and events. Once validated, configure enhanced measurement and conversions in GA4 and set up filters or user exclusions. Make sure to clear WordPress caches and CDN caches after changes and schedule weekly checks. If things go wrong, one key troubleshooting tip: clear all caches, disable other analytics or tag management plugins, and re-enter the exact measurement ID. Most issues stem from caching or conflicting tags.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.